What do you have?
Strut bar.
He's going to install it on his Celica. Speed racer over there. Oh, you hear it?
I need your help this time.
What?
Sorry, I need your help all the time.
Oh, okay. That's fine. I mean, you could just buy the $8 little grommet that goes in there. It's only $8. New from Toyota. Maybe get that employee discount from Toby. Get it down to $6. God damn, these are hella tight.
Tight from Toyota.
Shit.
Man, you were in electrical class. Which one are you supposed to do first?
Huh? Negative.
And which one are you supposed to tie up so it doesn't touch? The positive side or the negative side?
The negative.
Side, so it's not grounded?
Yeah. You took that class with me.
Yeah, but I sat next to you when we learned that, so I didn't learn shit.
Oh shit, you sat next to me for like a week only when Isaac was gone. Why you gotta remove it?
I'm flipping it. There's hella water down there.
Flipping it?
Yeah, I'm flipping it. I'm doing it in the other
I don't think you have to flip it. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? No, dude. Side mount it.
What do you mean side mount it?
No.
I don't want to run the risk of the shit fucking not working.
No, dude, I don't think it's like that.
Should I just tape that up?
I'd side mount it.
I don't want it to fucking touch.
Next thing you know, I'm gonna make a video of your car burning up. Side, yes, like that.
And this is gonna get hot.
You're gonna need to cut that and then re-zip tie it.
You don't want this shit touching.
Fucking working on a hot ass engine. Smart. See, it's perfect. You just might have to do something about this one.
Okay, you trying to buy a fucking thing?
A what?
Strut bar?
No.
I don't know if I'm gonna run this.
Why?
It's all a sketch.
Just put electrical tape on the strut bar. Or duct tape.
Buy one of those fucking carbon fiber things.
Carbon fiber wrap, vinyl wrap.
Yeah, I know.
Vinyl wrap it. Yeah, that seems like a better idea, dude.
Press the unlock button when I touch it.
Unlock.
Yeah,
Alright.
It's gonna wanna go off.
Well, shit. That was really loud.
Would you want it to be quiet?
Oh boy. What the hell? You don't have the right tool?
I don't have the right tool.
Oh.
I don't feel like going and grabbing it, actually. That's what it is.
Oh boy.
This one's too long.
It wasn't a problem with her.
Shut up.
Alright. You're good. You're gonna strip
How
it.
am I gonna get it off?
Huh? Buy the tool and have it in your car. Or go get the right tool.
It's in my room.
Whoa, stop being lazy. Alright, take these off. Is that the vibration from the...
Yeah, maybe.
Let's see, put it on.
Yeah, they kind of move this back a little bit onto the other side.
Wow. There you go.
Yeah, I got shocked.
You got shocked. You gotta hold it from spinning. Oh, because it's grounded. I'm pretty sure the strut bar. Oh no, but
Got shocked around.
you got shocked because the strut bar's getting grounded from the bolts, dude.
I know.
Well, it's not moving. I mean, I'm putting all the force on it.
It would help if I had a tie down. Moment of truth, see if it closes.
Yeah, close it. I'm pretty sure it will, but just right up.
I'll keep doing that.
Oh, it's good. All right, well, there you go. That's how you install APR?
ARP.
ARP, APR. Sorry guys, I'm not originally a Celica guy, I'm a Corolla guy. You ask me anything about 8th and 9th gen, I'll fucking know it like the back of my hand. Anyways, that's Josephs Celica. Comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell notification button, and thank you for watching.